Hey everybody, it's Gil here with the Sailing Vessel Dream Chaser, and in last week's episode we showed you that house we really liked on the waterfront property in Florida. Unfortunately, the water depth just isn't going to work, but it certainly showed us the type we like and what we can continue to look for. We also took you along on a bit of a glass-bottom kayak tour. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a neat way for us to give the girls a little bit of an experience of what it would be like to live on clearer water, be able to see the wildlife down below the kayaks and whatnot. So, hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. At the very end of the video, we give you a bit of a hint of what this week's video would be all about. We had an epic battle with a mattress that we were trying to replace in the owner's stateroom on Dream Chaser. Hope you guys enjoy this week's comical view on what we ran into. I've got to apologize up front for a little bit of the sound quality. For some reason, our GoPro case that we were filming this with for the wide angle was making a weird little clicking sound in the camera. I was able to remove most of it in post-production, but it sounds just a little bit tinny. So I hope you guys do enjoy this kind of funny look at what we ran into as we went into this whole mattress excursion. I will warn you up front, we had to do a lot of beeping out because our language was, well, sailor-like.
So today on Sailing Vessel Dream Chaser, we have bed choices. As you can see, this mattress is out. We got a new mattress coming in, and in here, we're trying to figure out who's sleeping on which side. We might have Ricky and Lucy, or they might be together. We'll find out.
So with the mattress out, it was time to just inspect the whole rudder. You can see here, that's the emergency steering, and the hydraulics all seem to be good and tight. Just kind of explaining to Whitney and Deb how this emergency tiller would ultimately work. Sure hope I never have to do it, but it has its own separate hydraulic pump just for the auto helm. Kind of connects up to these different hydraulic lines, and you can see the Raymarine control head right there. It's kind of nice. The hydraulic steering for the actual wheel is a manual wheel pump, and then the electric one is for the auto helm. Then you can see here the rudder position indicator, and just checking that to make sure everything is good. I'm kind of glad I did. You can see how this has a bent rod there that holds to the rudder steering quadrant itself, and it had come just a little bit loose, so just needed to hand tighten that up, and we were back to all set.
So after the boat's been in the yard, and with the leaks we had, and not being on it for a while, and not being aired out, frankly, our foam mattress had a little bit of a smell to it. Didn't care for it. So Deb and I, gosh, you can spend a ton of money on all different kinds of mattress options. There's latex ones. We looked at how you build your own.
So the mattress we ended up picking was what they're referring to as a hybrid. It has springs with latex, or not latex, I'm sorry, with the memory foam. So I can't remember, but it has like 400 and something springs in it. They have different types that have the memory foam wrapped around the springs.
Yeah, these are coil springs.
Coil springs, thank you.
They're not individually wrapped springs. The interesting thing is we looked at it, they're actually steel springs. So I suspect over time this isn't going to work. This is probably a short-term solution. But we want to try it out. It's been years since we've had a spring mattress, probably since we had our home. So on the boat, it's always been some kind of closed cell foam, latex, or memory foam. So this might be interesting to sleep on. We might enjoy it. And then if we do, then we can look at, I would imagine, the unbelievably high-priced option of stainless steel springs in a mattress. And we do know a place just south of Houston, Texas, where they will custom make any mattress you want. It's actually kind of cool. I don't remember the name of it. They're in Bayview?
Baytown.
They're in Baytown, Texas. And one of the cool things about it is you can go over there and they give you all the different foam options and whatnot. You lay down on them, and whenever you get to what you ultimately like, they'll sew it up for you in whatever shape you want and deliver it to your boat. So great customer service, but they're pricey.
But it's worth it. It really is worth it. I've talked to several people that have gotten boat beds for their boats from them. The problem we have is the mattress that we bought before, that we took down on last affair, was what I thought was supposed to be, I think I was like a 2-inch memory topper for our old mattress that was really sagging. Turns out it wasn't, it was 12. I just misread that. So we had a 12-inch mattress, so it had the real thick, 9 inches of real thick, dense, and then it went to medium, and then it went to soft. And I loved that.
Yeah, it was great, like comfortable.
Oh,
but
God, it was so hot. But
if we did it in here, we would have to be half as thick as we are, and you wouldn't be able to roll on your side.
This is going to be Ricky and Lucy this way, but, Captain over here is touching from floor to ceiling or top to bottom. I don't know what you call that. Yeah, that too. Or if we have traditional mattresses, we're going to have this way, but we're trying to figure out who's going to sleep where, because one kind of worms over the other one when they get out of beds. I think Dad's gonna be on this side because he's kind of the worm in the middle over there, and when he has to go to work at 5 o'clock in the damn morning, beep, he kind of wiggles his way out along my mom's feet this way, so he's gonna be on the outside, she's gonna be on the inside. Cats will love that better anyways because they don't like him. And in a little bit we'll probably have a time lapse of getting this other mattress in and letting it fluff up and all that other good stuff. We have the unboxing of the mattress. This is what really weird people look like. They're double jointed in the elbow. Oh shit sticks, it's not gonna fit. The instructions on this thing say that you have to be careful because when you open it, it's gonna go pfft. So we got a hard hat on. Debbie's gonna wear that for us right now. She always hits her head on shit. She's always hitting her head, or Dad's always hitting it. But now we're gonna measure to see how wide this is to see if this bed is actually gonna fit, because we may have not done that beforehand, so.
When opening, as it may have a risk to smack people when expanding, is literally what it says.
So you might need a hard hat too. We don't have another hard hat.
See, they got a handle.
This is why
Silly me thought all full-size mattresses would be the same size. Nope, not the case. The mattress that we pulled off, listed as a full size, measures, what did we measure it, 54? 53 and a half wide.
So just before we cut that thing open, we checked it, and apparently all full-size mattresses aren't exactly the same size. So luckily we found out first. So looks like we got a new mattress on the camper.
Yeah, but for my defense, they're not even the same size. They're in different sizes. Who makes different sizes? Full size should be one standard size, people. All I know is thank God we checked it before we unboxed that thing and it went poof.
Yeah, because it is a full-size mattress with springs, as we mentioned, which means the only way it's coming out of this boat is if we got a wire-cutting sawzall and cut it into 2 pieces.
So
new mattress in the camper, and
watch the video coming soon for the new bed for the camper.
In the next 2
It's
weeks.
annoying, isn't it?
I do want to see it. I do really want to see it pop open.
Well, then let's just take it over to the camper right now.
I agree.
Because it's got to sit for 48 hours.
So where are y'all sleeping then tonight?
Oh, we're going to be sleeping in here?
Don't know. That seems to be a much
Oh,
smaller.
we'll get a hotel.
Alright guys, so we're back at the land yacht dream chaser. I don't know what they call it, whatever. We're gonna turn it around so we can face this and watch this happen. We're gonna sneak through the bathroom. Oh god, it's hot in here. So we can watch this happen.
There seems to be a gap on the sides. Uh-oh, wrong size.
Oh, Jesus. She's looking crazy, man. She's crazy.
So with that, we went back to the boat. We put a new mattress cover over the existing one until we figure out what we're doing there, and we set everything up. The interesting thing is we left the camera going, and later I went back and I saw how the cats just sort of made it their own home and then decided to get into a little bit of a battle with each other. Nice, huh?
I'm done. I tried 3 times. Sorry about it. No mattress today. End of video.
Deb is beginning to make order of the chaos in the galley. How you doing over there behind that mountain of stuff?
Oh, I'd be better if Jack wasn't such a nosy ass cat. He's trying to get into my cupboards.
How you doing over there?
I'm doing good.
Well, this morning it's all been about removing things on the boat from projects that we're not doing immediately right now. Just so cluttered down there. Living aboard, we gotta get it cleaned up. So, yep, this is the second or third trip to the dumpster and storage shed at this point. I keep adding more and more to that dumpster pile. Time to go move the camper and put it in storage.
Are there any fish biting it?
Nope.
Just threw her leftover toast overboard to see if any fish would eat it. Let's go see.
One of them is hanging on to it.
Oh wow.
It's just
It
small.
floated all the way over there by Last Affair already, huh?
Yeah.
It's almost out of view. You gonna plop down in the beanbag chair?
Yeah. Watch. I'm gonna jump on.
You're gonna jump on it? Be careful.
Ah! Oh gosh. That was not a good landing.
No?
Nope. Whoa, yeah!
Why don't you stay in it? It's comfortable, isn't it?
You have to do it now.
I have to do it?
Yeah.
Ready?
You have to
so comfortable.
jump and then
Although if I
onto it.
jump on it, I think it's gonna tear it up. You wanna come sit with me? Come on. Let me have my phone.
No, I'll video. It's okay. Oh my
No,
god.
don't hold my phone over the side, please.
It's already gone.
Yep, come on over this way. You're making me nervous.
Here comes She-Boss.
What's the name of that boat?
She-Boss is coming. I love She-Boss, and that's where Grandma is. Let's go check Grandma out. Hey guys, welcome back to Sailing Vessel Dream Chaser.
Are we just chilling in the cockpit?
Yeah,
We sitting in a beanbag chair?
yeah.
Pretty good, isn't
It's
it?
mine though.
What?
It's mine.
What do you mean it's yours? Isn't it? It's yours?
This is mine.
Who says?
Me.
Okay then.
You got it for me.
I don't think I did. I think I got it for all of us.
You got it for me.
We got it for everybody. It's comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to lay back? There you go.
We could just lay. I
You
know.
could snuggle, huh?
Can you turn it inside out again?
The other way?
Yeah.
All right.
Look at my pretty shoes.
You got pink ballerina shoes, don't you?
Yeah.
Those
but
are perfect for on the boat.
I cannot wear my tap dance shoes.
Yeah, somebody got tap dance shoes, and she asks every day if she can put on her tap dance shoes, but I've had to say, tap dance shoes don't work on the boat, do they?
Nope.
Nope. Where can you wear the tap dance shoes?
At the tap dance class.
That's right. And then maybe one day what we'll do is we'll let you put them on out on the dock, and maybe you can show David and Lee or something how you can tap dance. Well, first I guess you ought to go to a lesson and learn how, huh? Since you've never done it before. And you know what? I'll bet those shoes are going to be really slippery. When you walk on the dock or on the sidewalk, think about it. They're metal bottoms instead of rubber. It's going to be very sticky or slippery. You hear the boat speeding up on the river?
Where?
You hear it? It's a boat speeding up. Yeah, that boat over there is called Misbehavin'.
That's what I do all the time.
Wait, what did you say?
That's what I do all the time.
I know. That's funny, isn't it? The boat names are great. I like looking at boat names. Have I told you today?
Yes.
I have? What did I tell you today?
I love you more than I did yesterday.
And?
And I'll love you more tomorrow than I did today.
That's right. Well, Deb made pretty good progress. I will say there's some order to the chaos in the galley at this point. Go from the salon into the galley here. It's getting there. Getting there. What do you say, baby? Getting there?
It's getting there. It's not where I want it to be, but it's getting close.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this week's video and our battle to the death with this damn mattress. it was a fun look for us. You also got a little bit of a glimpse of just what it's like hanging out on the boat and just relaxing with the little ones. You know, it was just, frankly, it's been wonderful to get back on board for a little while. It sort of rejuvenated us after doing all this doggone work we've been doing. So that was another really cool experience. And I will say, I got to use that bleep sound effect more in this video than I think I have in the last year combined. Yeah, I tell you what, one other thing is if you just stay tuned for a couple more minutes after this little outro before the very end of the video, I went ahead and put in some of the bloopers from when we were finishing. Yeah, we had a blast, and it was fun doing this with our daughter Whitney. You know, at 33 years old, we have a very different sense of humor with each other than obviously you would with a smaller child, like when we're around the grandkids. So
we wouldn't be able to open the cabinet doors.
We wouldn't be able to do the horizontal bump either.
No, it's already a struggle. He smacks his head.
I'll put that out there.
You're gonna have a lot of editing to do. I'm sorry. Yeah.
We were watching something the other day on TV, and all of a sudden all you see is bleep, 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 and the other character turned and went, wow, and then turned back around.
If we were on the radio, the FCC would be counting us down right now because we would be out of like 10-second delays. See what happens when your adult grown daughter comes around for the day when she's not actually working, and then she makes everybody else cuss because she cusses like the sailor.
She does. Where'd you get? Yeah. Don't say fuck in front of the KIDS's.
I'm sorry, I just started spelling it.